Congratulations! If you are watching this video, there's a very high chance that you are a winner or a runner-up in at least one subject under the Open Doors Scholarship, which means you have been offered a fully funded opportunity to study in Russia tuition-free. Now, let me show you how to confirm if you have been selected, right? You can confirm your status in three simple ways. Number one, your personal account. As you can see, I'm logged on in my personal account. You are going to see this message. Congratulations, you became a winner or runner-up in at least one subject. So once you see this message, that means you are selected as one of the recipients for the scholarship. Now, another way you can check is email notification. Some candidates received a congratulations email directly from Open Doors. So you want to check your inbox and spam folder. Now, the last way you can also check is using the official website, right? If you just go to Google and search Open Doors Scholarship, then you click on the official website. Now, the next thing you want to click is subject areas. You click on subject areas. Now you can select whichever program you applied for, but for this video, let me say I applied for Russian language and culture, so I click on this. Okay, now once you click on it, you have to wait for it to load. Now if you scroll down, you could see second stage participant for bachelors. If you click on this file, let me click on it, you are going to see the winners and the runner-up. Now you can see these are the winners and the runner-up. You just have to check if your name is there. Okay, now if it's for masters and doctoral, just click on it. Then you also click on winners and runner-up. So that's basically how to check it. Check if your name is there. It is very, very easy. Now the question is, after selection, what is the next step? Okay, the next step is you need to upload your required document to exercise your right to study in Russia free of charge under the Open Door Scholarship. Okay, now you need to upload your document through this timeline. For winners, you need to upload between January 29th to February 12th of 2026. Now for runner-up, you need to upload between February 2nd to February 12th, 2026. Now the question is, what is the difference between a winner and a runner-up? As a winner, your scholarship slot is guaranteed. As a runner-up, you're on a waiting list. You get the scholarship if a winner does not use their slot. For example, if a winner fails to upload documents on time, cannot translate documents into Russian, lacks funds of translation, lost interest, or their documents are not ready by February 12th, that slot is automatically given to a runner-up who has complete and correct document. So that's why if you're a runner-up, you must prepare your documents early, translate them into Russian, upload everything within the allowed time frame. Yes, you absolutely have a chance. Many runner-up eventually becomes full scholarship recipients. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll respond. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any important updates.